Hey guys, this is Eric Miller at M&M 2024. We're here in Cleveland, Ohio, in the Mega Booth, and I'm with John from NanoImages and Ben from Wavix, and they've got an interesting product in their booth, and I was hoping you guys could tell me a little bit about it.
Sure, it's a tabletop SEM from SEC. It's the SNE Alpha. It's a motorized 5-axis stage with optical navigational camera. Comes with secondary backscatter, high-low vacuum, image stitching, 3D rendering, and we've also partnered up with Wavix to be able to provide advanced analytical techniques, and Ben can tell you more about that.
Yeah, so there are a lot of tabletops on the market, and traditionally, tabletops are a little bit limited, and that's kind of by design. But the stuff that you guys can put on this particular tabletop is really impressive. So tell me about what you got on there.
Yeah, so Wavix makes accessories for the tabletop SEM, full-size SEM, TEM, but particularly for this product, we can do in situ Raman, any wavelength you're interested in. We can also couple to any detector, any spectrometer that you'd like. We can do in situ EDS, CL, EBIC. So if you want to put it on your tabletop, we can help you with it.
That's pretty wild. If people are interested in seeing your instrument or getting to know more about it, maybe getting a demo, etc., where do they find you online?
www.nanoimages.com.
Okay, we still got more to come at M&M 2024. We'll see you soon.